Regulators!
Yo, what up guys? Danny from life.atv. I got Code behind the camera. As you can see, we got the 4-piece hooked up. 4-place. What are we getting now, dude? We've been getting a lot of shit lately.
We've been doing a lot of traveling lately.
Well guys, the reason we got this hooked up is because my mom hit me up. She's been riding my RZR, you know, she's been having a lot of fun. Well, she decided she wants one. So she found a 2019 Polaris RZR 1000 4-seater that she wants us to go pick up and get for her. So that's what we're doing.
Add it to the list, buddy. We've been doing a lot of traveling. Man, everyone's getting side-by-sides now, making me and the old man kind of look bad. We haven't got anything in a while.
But, you know, we're going to be heading on the road, guys. We're going to definitely take it back here and kind of test it out and have some fun with it, because no one's drove a 1000. Anything happens on the road, we'll be sure to pick up the camera, or else the next time you guys probably see us, well, this thing loaded up. Alright.
Alright guys, so we finally made it. Finally got the purchase now. We're trying to rig something up to load it properly.
Let's go all the way over here.
I suppose I could show you guys. Here it is.
Well,
nice.
We're gonna get it.
Nice 4-seater. RZR 1000. Hey Danny boy, it's a 2019, isn't it?
Yep.
2019.
Dude, the thing's got some power up.
It does.
Like,
It's in really nice shape.
This thing's got some power.
He definitely feels the difference between the 900 and the 1000.
Well, look how nice this is brand new.
This thing is, what did it say?
Brand new. This is brand new.
It had like 200 miles on it.
Got a windshield, roof. Nice Fox shocks on it. Brand new tires. I would consider these brand new.
Oh yeah.
Nice rims. I mean, he shined this up.
Thing is beautiful. Here we go. Now we're gonna load it.
Low.
Oh, come on. Perfect.
Whoa, buddy!
Jesus Christ, she looks nice.
Doesn't she, buddy?
She looks nice. Holy,
Hell of a trip.
that some bitch is like brand new, eh?
It is. We made it, boys.
Tires make it?
Everything made it. Hell of a strap job. You like that?
Jeez, that son of a bitch looks nice, don't it? God dang, she looks nice.
She looks awesome,
Run
man.
into no rain or nothing?
We ran to a little bit. A little bit.
Jesus, she looks nice. Holy mackerel, that son of a gun's nice. Gotta have a ride.
Nice, man.
Jesus, some bitch is nice. I want her.
You can buy Tires held up, huh?
Everything held up. Trailer did a hell of a job.
Some bitch is
Danny.
brand new.
You're gonna be bringing this out a little bit more often.
Yeah.
Holy mackerel.
Mom said I could rip the hell out of it, so I'm gonna do that.
She's got a hell of a roof on her and everything. Windshield. Take her out, Danny. Easy, buddy.
Give her help.
Up a wheelie with her.
Fucking back in the truck come right out. Look at it. Hooker is huge.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ooh.
Check out Francie.
Oh my God, you do
That son of a bitch is a monster.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's looking like
I think my CJ7 might have been just a little bit smaller.
it has a mud there.
The door open.
Woo! Danny boy, you got a door open.
There you got it.
Geez, no digging.
You can watch my grass now.
We don't care about grass over here.
Maybe you're right.
Go going that one?
Gutty son of a bitch, ain't it, Danny? What? Gutty. Tell him I'm
She got the freaking awesome suspension with us now.
Fox shocks.
Little squirrely? Fucking roller right away. No, we're gonna want it. Fucking roller right away. No, we're gonna be tight in here. Tight in here.
You don't want to hurt her now. I don't want to scratch her.
64.
Oh,
You want to scratch her now. How much thing in over there?
I'm getting a little dirty back here though.
Right here, you want.
You can just try that. Oh, there goes the freaking grass. Are you gonna fucking try this? Are you serious?
Oh my god, it fit.
I didn't think she'd fit on there.
I cut it was right on the freaking edge.
I can't see shit.
It was right on the fucking edge. If we would have rolled off, that would have been fucking priceless. You filming?
Oh my god, it fit.
I didn't think she'd fit on there.
I cut it was right on the freaking edge.
I can't see shit.
It was right on the fucking edge. If we would have rolled off, that would have been fucking priceless. You filming?
I'm filming.
Way to keep it clean, buddy.
I'll have to give her a wash. I'm okay with that.
There's a thing that we took across the fucking bridge. Well, you know what?
Medium dirty as hell back here.
He's dirty as hell.
Yes, I know it's 3 hours for us. 3 hours for the rest of the day. 3 hours.
I'm gonna be fucking scraping tree work fucked. Wide. Hanging out about that farther than the fucking rig.
What's that?
Tire's hanging out about that farther than the rig.
Yeah, that's why we get kind of dirty.
I just want you to remember so you don't freaking scrape the tree.
Drive it.
Hell yeah! Everybody hang on. No, I'll be decent.
Polaris. Yeah. How you like it, Ma?
I love it.
Looks great.
Awesome.
What do you think, Dan?
Ooh, that's nice. Wow.
It was a lot cleaner before I took it for a rip, just so you know. But I tried my best.
Love it.
Ooh, that's nice.
Just
Love it.
all right.
I love this and this too. Yeah, I like the top and I like that too.
So you go enjoy it, all right?
I am.